Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I eat salad all year round, but when the hot months arrive, I eat even more of them. With all the fresh produce, I can resist making salad almost every day. On the website, I probably have over 3 dozen salad recipes and there are more to come. Here's another delicious one for you to try. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Israeli salad. Simple and yet so tasty. This is a salad that pairs so well with most dishes. With cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, along with seasonings, this is a bowl of pure yumminess. So my friends, let's get cooking. We'll start by making a vinaigrette. In a small bowl, we'll add extra virgin olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, dried mint, not fresh, and I explain more on the website. By the way, here's the brand I use, and I love it. And then Italian seasoning. I know it's not really Israeli, but to me, it's an all-purpose spice blend. You should make it, and to find out how, click on the top right corner of your screen. Of course, we'll also season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll whisk our ingredients until nicely blended. Like any other recipe, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. I like to add a little bit of honey, about 1/4 teaspoon. Whisk again and then set aside for now. All right, let's make the salad. In a large bowl, we'll add 1 large English cucumber, some cherry tomatoes, then sliced red onions which we cut in half. Nobody likes a long slice of onion in their salad unless it's a wedge, right? Followed by red peppers and orange peppers. And then fresh chopped parsley. We'll toss our ingredients until nicely blended. And look at the color. It's a rainbow of deliciousness. Wow. Next, we'll pour our vinaigrette over and toss again until the veggies are well coated before adding the feta cheese. We'll gently toss the ingredients until evenly mixed and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our Israeli salad. This is a bowl of awesomeness. Tasty, healthy, and quick to make. This is an incredible salad to serve anytime, and it also pairs well with many dishes. Take 20 minutes to make this flavorful salad for your family and friends. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!